Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. It is so nice to see you today. Thank you for joining our class. Can you say bonjour Ananas so she can come and join us? Bonjour Ananas. Oh, a little bit louder. Bonjour Ananas. There she is. Ananas, ça va bien? Oui. Are you having a good day today? I hope you're very excited about learning a new sound. Let's get started. So we're going to choose a color today. Couleur for our pointer. Can you repeat the colors with me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc et noir. Since I'm wearing un chapeau bleu aujourd'hui, on va choisir la couleur bleue. So this is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 3.1, E sound. Leçon 3.1, son E. So we have a new sound this lesson, and this is the letter I. In English, in French, the letter I is called E, and it makes the E sound. So today's lesson, we will discover some new E sound words. So let's get started. Okay, Ananas. Oh, let's give them a clue. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What do you think that is? Oh, do you know that word? It is a pumpkin in English. In French, it's called une citrouille. Citrouille. Now, the first thing we're going to do is see if we can clap the syllables. The French word for syllables is syllabe. Syllabe. And we're going to show you how it's done. So we say a word and we clap it out. Citrouille, citrouille. How many claps did you do? Citrouille. If you did 2 claps, you are correct. Citrouille. That's exactly right. Now, can you find the E sound in this word? Bravo. There is a little clue there. It's the letter that's in red. Red in French is rouge. La lettre en rouge. So this word is citrouille. Can you say it with me a little faster? Citrouille. Yay! So that wasn't so hard, was it? No. Let's go find our next word. Here's your clue. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Quelque chose pour manger. Something to eat. Un légume, a vegetable. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Radis. Des radis. Let's see if we can clap to figure out how many syllables. Combien de syllabes? Radis. Radis. How many did you hear? Radis. 2. You are correct. Radis. Now in this word, the S at the end doesn't make a sound. Shh, it's quiet. And there's many words in French that have a letter at the end that don't make a sound. But don't worry, I'll let you know as we get along. Radis. Can you say that a little quicker with me? Radis. Good job. Bravo. Let's move on. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, what do you think, my friends? I'm sure some of you know this is called a poppy in English. In French, it's called un coquelicot. Coquelicot. Can we clap this word together? Coquelicot. Wow, that's a lot of claps. Let's try it again. Coquelicot. 3. Coquelicot. Coquelicot. Can you find the E sound in this word? Oui, bravo. That letter makes the E sound. Did you use the trick of the red? La couleur rouge? Good job. Now let's try it again together, but a little bit faster. Coquelicot. Coquelicot. Bravo. Let's move along. Oh, que c'est? Oh, what a beautiful big animal. C'est un tigre. Tigre. Let's see if we can clap the syllables. Tigre. Tigre. Deux syllabes. Tigre. Can you find the E sound in this word? Oh, there it is. Now let's try it again. Tigre. Tigre. Yay! You're doing a great job. Let's move along. Oh, there's a little clue for you. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, wow. Maybe you're listening to us on your computer, and the French word for computer is ordinateur. Ordinateur. Wow, combien de syllabes? Ordinateur. Wow. If you said quatre, you are correct. Ordinateur. Wow, that's a long word. Can you find the E sound in this word? Bravo. Let's say it again. Ordinateur. Now we're going to say it a little faster. Ordinateur. Bravo. Good job. Let's move on. Oh, c'est une question. Question is a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Do you remember what that means? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? It's in my bag. Oh, Ananas, j'ai mon sac ici. Oh, very heavy. Oh, très, très, très pesant. Pesant means heavy. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Ananas, est-ce que tu veux regarder dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, so heavy. Pesant, pesant, pesant. Oh, wow. Oh, c'est un ordinateur. Did you remember the word? Ordinateur. A computer. Ordinateur. My friends, I hope you had fun with us today, learning a lot of new words with the E sound. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. Can you say au revoir, Ananas? Au revoir, madame. And I'm going to say au revoir, les amis. See you soon.